Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing my experiences throughout learning Python and what were the mistakes that I have done and how you can avoid it if you are learning or thinking of learning Python. So I started learning Python with some tutorials like W3 schools and I actually, without understanding the basic of the Python functionality, I directly was trying to use it or I was trying to solve the problem. But this is not the right way, guys. You just have to learn the basic, understand the basic of the syntaxes or the functionalities. You can create your own problem statements or anything that you have that can bring help to your daily task. Like if I have messed up folder, like our download folders, and you have a lot of download files, a different format structure, then you can actually make use of Python and sort your clutter out in a well sorted way, in a well distributed manner. So likewise, you can take any small example of your daily life and daily task and try to solve it using Python. This will really help a lot. It will increase your logical skills and also increase the confidence within you. So this was something that helped me a lot. And after some time, after giving some month on learning Python, I actually got a really good understanding on Python, and then I switched to the advanced Python learning. Once I completed the basic Python, I switched to advanced Python from this from the same tutorial, or if you want, you can also take help of other tutorials as well. And yeah, many courses are available, guys. So many courses are available for learning Python. The best course that which I found was iNeuron. Sudhanshu sir helped a lot in making me understand about the Python basics, from basics to the very advanced level. He helped me to clear out. So guys, you can also learn Python. It is not very difficult. Just stick with the basic understanding and hands-on on it. You will be able to learn in very within a very short span. Thank you.